Good morning. It is day 6 and we're in Cozumel, Mexico. Wow. Good morning. I am here. I am just so grateful this morning. Coffee cheers to you. Hey, I am on board the MSC Seascape and we are in Cozumel, Mexico. All right, let's walk the Bridge of Sighs. Beautiful. It's beautiful out here. The weather is amazing. Hello. It's dinner time. And you know where we're headed. We're headed to the Green Wave restaurant where I have been able to secure a seat for the 5 p.m. dinner seating for 6 days now. Cheers. I want you to know, it feels like I just got on the ship last night. Yay! Bought a couple t-shirts too, so yay us. Fun fact, I forgot to pack an outfit for going home. So I will be wearing one of these t-shirts. Yay me. Outfit for today, and I'm gonna wear these shoes. Well, good morning. It is day 6 and we're in Cozumel, Mexico. So about to go have some breakfast, get the day started, and I want you to join me. Wow. Good morning. I am here and I certainly am very happy. I'm very grateful. I have a seat for breakfast. I slept in this morning. It was such a beautiful, wonderful morning. I did get up and watch the sunrise and went right back and laid in bed and just relaxed and chilled out and didn't get up and get showered until just to get me here right on time. They stopped seating for breakfast at 9 and I just walked in and right now it's 10 to 9. So yay, I made it. So I have coffee and I am just so grateful this morning. Coffee cheers to you. So what's on the agenda for today? Oh my goodness, we're in Cozumel and I am not getting off the ship. I didn't plan any excursions. I am going to relax and just chill on top of chill and just do nothing all day and enjoy the sights and just do some shopping, which is always fun. I did some shopping yesterday. I bought 2 rings yesterday and they were really cute. And I'll just continue to enjoy some of the festivities, watch some line dancing today, some dance lessons. Hopefully I'll be able to catch a couple of those and share those with you. I have another show tonight. You'll hear all about that as we progress through the day. So right now it's time for breakfast. Hey, I am on board the MSC Seascape and we are in Cozumel, Mexico. All right, let's walk the Bridge of Sighs. Oh. Check the scoreboard. Overcomer, we don't look like what we've been Hello, hello, hello. It's dinner time. You know where we're headed. We're headed to the Green Wave restaurant where I have been able to secure a seat for the 5 p.m. dinner seating for 6 days now. So I'm so thrilled. Join me. I want to just say to you, cheers. Thank you so much for being with me on my journey. Hi, Myrta. How are you? I just want to encourage you that if you do sail and you want to enjoy a cruise and you happen to be booked for a later dinner seating, absolutely try to get seated at an earlier dinner time. You can even attempt to be seated at a different restaurant. This ship, I think, has 4 or 5 restaurants that are included in the cruise fare, and it's just assigned seating throughout the several seatings. I think it's a 5 o'clock seating and a 6 o'clock and a 9 o'clock seating time for dinner. And so this happened to be my dining room that I was assigned to, but I was assigned to a 9 p.m. seating time. So for the last 6 evenings, I've been able to get seated at the 5 p.m. So what they do is just they wait until the window of time closes, which they give you till 15 minutes after the dinner seating time. They give you 15 minutes after the dinner seating time, and they close the doors basically. And that's when they start entertaining the people who are in line to come in and have dinner. So it's just a fair opportunity for people who want to get seated in a different restaurant or a different time. So all is well. I'm just so thrilled. I'm so thrilled to have this opportunity. I'm so grateful. And I'm glad you're along with me. 6 days so far. It has gone so fast. I know your sense of time is going to be different than mine, picking up and watching when you can, which I appreciate you watching. But I want you to know, it feels like I just got on the ship last night. It really does. I can't believe 5 nights ago I was saying to you, the whole thing. So I'm just grateful. Glad to have you along with me. Well, dinner has arrived, and it looks delicious. Switched up tonight and have a pasta dish. It's chicken with farfalle pasta, which is my favorite pasta. So let's see what you think about it. Here we go. Try to cut this up in a way that you can get your bite. It also has tomatoes in it, but my bite won't have tomatoes. Ooh, look at that. You can still see the smoke coming off of it. Ooh, let's see. First bite. It's delicious. Oh my goodness. This is the first night. This is the first night this has been on the menu. And oh my goodness. Oh, I would have had it again and again if it weren't night 6. Let me just say this. My appetizer, the pulled pork chicken quesadilla with onions and tomato, diced onions and tomato, and corn and black beans, was delicious. So much so that I'm gonna go to the specialty restaurant, Hola Tacos, which I've never eaten at. This is my 4th MSC cruise and I've never done the specialty restaurants yet. But I wanna go and stop by and see their menu, because if that quesadilla is on the menu, we're gonna have to kiss the Green Wave restaurant a grateful adieu, and we'll do Hola Tacos tomorrow for dinner. So I'm gonna stop and see. It was the best quesadilla. Can I say this? It was the best quesadilla I've ever tasted in my life. You're on the MSC Seascape, don't miss the shredded chicken quesadillas for an appetizer. Hello, Marta.
Hello, madam. How was your dinner?
Thank you for everything.
Okay, nice to see you.
It's so good to meet you. Thank you. On tonight. All right. So these are $60 cologne perfumes. The price of tag for $50. These are the perfumes. Nice selection. So the $29.99, $29.90 price of tag. Any fragrances you like? $39.90. Got my cool water. All the t-shirts. Oh, this is making memories. Oh, I like that one. These are 2 for $30. Oh my goodness. You know I like this color. Let's see. I don't know what this one says. There must be something on the back. Oh, I like this color. Oh, now look. You know I have to get that one. Oh, ship. Oh, ship. It's a family trip. Oh, look at these bags. These are 30% off. These are fabulous. These are fabulous tote bags. You know, I love this color. Look at that color. That is gorgeous. You know, that's my color. How much they want for this thing? $147, 30% off. That's what they're doing. You know I have to buy this t-shirt. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. But let's see what another one. Making memories. Oh, wait, listen, what's this one say? Captain is always right. Crew squad. No, I like that one. What does this one say? Ocean spirit.
Okay, yeah. That is perfect.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Let me give you a receipt. Okay, yes, please. Thank you. Yay! Bought a couple t-shirts too. So, yay us. It's time to get to our 7 o'clock show. Hey! I want to say dinner was great. And I finally met the family that's been sitting behind me. And they have beautiful children. Oh my goodness. So you probably have heard the children through dinner. But it's the sound of love when you hear them talking and acknowledging what they want, what they don't want, and talking to their parents. It's just beautiful. And so had a brief conversation in terms of asking me where I was from. They saw that I was pulling out the camera and having you all taste dinner before I did and having you all along with me. So I was able to tell them all about our beloved friendship and our traveling friends and our soon-to-be traveling friends and how we get together as often as we can to travel and do things together. So dinner was great. I am now at the show. That's going to start probably in about 15 minutes. So it's all good. Fun fact, I forgot to pack an outfit for going home. So I will be wearing one of these t-shirts. Yay me.
Everybody here in the Caribbean, hello! All right. In fact, let's see your hands clapping in the air. You ready? This is the show you get to sing along with the naughtiest boys on the 7 seas. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be